Welcome back, everybody. Coming to you from the garage today. Today is Friday the 15th. I'll get it. March, April, May. There we go. May. So I'm coming to you with a product today. My wife and I have been riding with the Hill Country Spider Riders. Found them on Facebook, and a couple of the people had these seat covers. I'll do this so it doesn't focus on me. And they're quite unique. It's a see-through. Air can actually go in between you and the seat. They came from Africa, and it takes a couple weeks to get them. So we're going to install the rear one and the front one. I think they were about $120. And one of the people we ride with stated that his wife made him take them off because they worked too good. She was cold. So on an RT, which they have, you get one big seat cover. But with the F3, the F3T, the F3 Limited, you have the back seat and you have the front seat. So let's get started on the install. All right, so on the rear, well, let's go ahead and pull this out. Get this out of the way. The rear, we'll take this off. When seats. This one is marked rear, so I hope you can see that. I'm assuming the logo will go something like this, and you just wrap the Velcro around the seat. They have it in a crisscross. So we'll see if we can't do the same. All right, so very good Velcro, as you can see. Excuse me, Mr. Hornet. Trying to work here, people. Okay, so the hardest thing so far is keeping the Velcro from sticking to itself. And I do worry that this is going to, because it's kind of a rough material. So I do kind of worry that it might mess with the paint where it hits. And I have upgraded seats, so they're a little thicker. Okay, let's bring that like that. Like I said, I have the thicker seat, and it didn't ask me. Okay, so how I'm doing it is I'm just going to have it level here, but I tucked it on the corners. And I'm going to crisscross. Let's take this one like this. And I'm pulling them a little snug. We'll just take this one straight back. If you've Velcroed shoes, you can do this, I promise. Okay. One airflow seat. Okay, so with this Spider, we have a 10 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. So let me Let me grab that and then we'll be back. I definitely have too long of an extension, but it works. There's a washer on the end of this bolt, and I don't want it to fall. If I was smart, I would have siliconed them back in the day. Let's get something for the hands. A little dirty down in here. All right. So when Sean Smoke talks about what happens when you ride in the weather, all the road grime gets trapped underneath all the plastics. So as you can see, it's kind of grimy underneath. Now, I think this one's going to fit a lot better. It's not as thick as the factory F3 seats are horrible. Now, if you get the limited, they're a lot thicker. So this one should fit better. And like I said, the hardest thing is keeping everything away from one another. This one's labeled front. And I'm assuming this is the front. Right, everybody, had to stop the video. This is why I stopped working on cars. As you can see, I can move these fingers no problem. My finger is stuck pretty good. All right, everybody, trying to get the camera kind of set up to where you can kind of see what I'm doing. Changing out this front spider seat, super easy. It just has two bolts. Two little places in the front that it makes contact with. So I'm just making sure we're all set in properly. These are kind of a pain to work with. Now remember, when you start bolts, don't run it down all the way before you get the other one started. It can make it almost impossible then to start this next one. And yes, I've dropped many of these switching out seats over the years. And they end up in the spider somewhere. So I've had videos run into the next day, you know, due to storms. But never, ever because of an ER visit. And then we're gonna put on my backrest. Put on hers. So what happened yesterday was I have issues with trigger finger. So I really have to watch how I move my hands. Normally I can just pop it right out again. But that one yesterday was, you know what? This is not liking life here. So my fears were that this thing is going to take up real estate, right? Welcome back to Crazy Town. We're almost done. I just need to figure out how to get this seat. There we go. Who would have thought the hardest part would be actually snapping the seat down? So it's a mesh, right? And you sit on it and it allows air to flow through underneath you. You can see it ripped here. It'll be fine. I'll take it off and resew it. I just wanted to get it on here to see what it looked like. I think it looks pretty cool. So next we'll just have to take it for a ride. So if you could, please give me a big thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.